Hola, welcome to Fan for Spanish Materials. In this video, we're going to talk about relationships, and we're going to learn two verbs, one reflexive, one perceptive. The reflexive verb is going to be how to get along with somebody or not to get along with somebody. So, this one is going to be a reflexive, and it's called llevarse. Okay, so llevarse, you can do llevarse bien or llevarse mal. Now, llevarse, yeah, reflexive, llevarse. Um, it means to have a good relationship with somebody. Yeah, um, it's when you already know the person and you get along with it, with her or with him. So let's have a look at the reflexive verb. A reflexive structure, we already know. Yeah, this is the reflexive structure here. Um, and then we have the conjugations. So, yo me llevo bien is like I get along with the person. If you say yo me llevo mal, that's I don't get along. And then you put con and then you name the person. Yeah. Yo me llevo muy bien con mi padre. I get along very well with my dad. So you can say yo me llevo bien con María. I get along with María. If I don't get along with her, you say yo no. Remember, we put the no right after the personal pronouns. Yo no me llevo bien con María. Is I don't get along well with María. You can also say yo me llevo mal con María. It's like I don't get along with her. Yeah. So you can say yo no me llevo bien, or you can say yo me llevo mal. Yeah. Both means you don't get along. And yo me llevo bien means you get along with somebody. Yeah. Here, alguien means somebody, okay? Alguien means somebody, but you can replace this word for a name, yeah, or a family member, my mom, my dad, my friend, yeah, anybody. So yeah, and the same happens with the rest of the personal pronouns, yeah. So let's say you get along with Francisco. Tú te llevas bien con Francisco. Let's say she gets along with my brother. Ella se lleva bien con mi hermano. We get along with your friends. Or nosotros nos llevamos bien con tus amigos, and so on. So, yeah, let's have a look at the rest of the examples here. Ella se lleva muy bien con sus hermanos. As you can see, we can put bien or muy bien, also mal or muy mal. Yeah. So, ella se lleva muy bien con sus hermanos. It's like she gets along very well with his siblings or her siblings. um yeah, muy bien is like more than good, like very well, like more than well, very well, extremely well. Nosotros nos llevamos bien con nuestros vecinos. We get along with our neighbors. Yeah. um Él se lleva mal con el vecino. He doesn't get along with his or with the neighbor. Yeah. So that's how to say to get along or not to get along. All right. Let's have a look at the second verb we have here, which is it's a perceptive verb, and it's when you like a person. Important, when you like the person as a person, not when you like a person like attraction wise. No, it's when you like the person just as a person. And this can be, I mean, you can be, you cannot get confused with this in Spanish. Uh, if you say me gusta una persona, you're gonna say that you actually like the person sexually, you know, like for a relationship, like for a couple relationship. So you shouldn't say I like a person. Me gusta Maria. I mean, unless you mean it that you actually like her, you know, because she's attractive and stuff. But if you just like a person as a person, you're gonna use this verb. So please don't make this big mistake because it's gonna bring you a lot of misunderstandings. Our perceptive verb is gonna be a mí me cae bien o mal. Yeah. The verb is caer. So caer it means to fall down and or just to fall. And it's like we say it she falls me well or he falls me well. To me, when you say uh, like I like him or I like her as a person, right? So let's practice this. A mí me cae bien, and again we put here a person. Pedro. A mí me cae bien Pedro. I like Pedro as a person. A ti te cae bien Juan. Like you like Juan as a person. That's it. And when we talk about I like the person, we are talking about like the first impression, right? You don't know the person very well. So like it's like the impression you have about this person. Like I like her, I like him. You know, once you get to know the person and you have a good relationship, then you start saying me cae, like no me cae bien, but you say uh yo me llevo bien con ella. So which was the thing we learned before. Yeah, I get along with her. You already have a good relationship. So, yeah. Now you can also, if you don't like the person, you can always put the no here, right? And it's gonna work. A mí no me cae bien tu papá. I don't like your dad. That's it. Yeah. But if you also want to say I don't like your dad, you can put the mal instead. Yeah. You say a mí me cae mal tu papá. I don't like your dad. So you have both options. A mí me cae mal tu papá or a mí no me cae bien tu papá, right? That's it. And yeah, another example will be he likes my friends. A él le caen bien mis amigos. Why caen? Because it's mis amigos. Mis amigos is plural, right? So because it's a plural thing, it's gonna be with caen with the n, right? Um, she likes my parents. A ella le caen bien mis padres. She likes my parents. We like your friends. A nosotros nos caen bien tus amigos. Again, caen because it's plural, right? Let's have a look at these examples here. Me cae muy bien tu amigo. Remember, this is optional. These ones here are optional. Yeah. Except for the third person singular and plural, it's better to add them. Me cae muy bien tu amigo. Me cae muy bien tu amigo. I like your friend as a person. I like it a lot as a person. Me caen bien tus hermanos. Me caen bien tus hermanos. I like your siblings. No nos caen bien nuestros vecinos. A nosotros no nos caen bien nuestros vecinos. It's like no nos caen bien nuestros vecinos. We don't like our neighbors. A él le cayó mal Pedro. Now, cayó. What is cayó? Cayó is the same verb but in past tense. And here is cayó for singular and cayeron for plural. In this case, Pedro is singular. A él le cayó mal Pedro. ¿Ya? A él le cayó mal Pedro. He didn't like Pedro. But let's say he didn't like my friends, plural, right? A él le cayeron mal mis amigos. Or a él no le cayeron bien mis amigos. That's another way to say it. So I hope you like this topic. It's very interesting how to talk about you like a person or you get along with a person or the contrary. And yeah, with this you can talk about people. This chapter is about talking about people. So yeah, you can talk about people, if they're similar, if you like them, if you get along, how they look like, etc., etc. So yeah, thanks for watching, and yeah, see you in the next video. Hasta luego.